Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today I got a brand new recipe, just found it on the internet. Sounded tasty to me, so I'm gonna bring you all along and we're gonna cook it. It's tater tot taco casserole. Say that 5 times fast. But anyways, all the ingredients sounded really good, something different, and good for meal prep. So let's get over here and we'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, let's get this recipe started here. I want to start out with 1 pound of lean ground beef. We're going to cook it over medium-ish heat. Get that browned up. Once we get that all browned up, we're going to add a 1 pack of taco seasoning, a can of sweet corn with the peppers, the green peppers and green and red peppers, and 1 can of black beans drained and rinsed. So let me work on getting this browned up, and 1 clove of garlic minced too. So yeah, let me work on getting this all browned up and cooked up, and we'll bring you guys right back. Alright y'all, got that all browned up, so we're gonna stir in our taco meat, or taco seasoning I should say. This is just 1 pack of taco seasoning. Just kind of roughly toss it in there. Then we're going to add 1 can of this is Southwest corn. It's got the red bell peppers and all that in it. So, and then our 1 can of black beans rinsed. You want to make sure you rinse them, get all that starch and stuff that's in there out. So, all right. Oh, we gotta add our garlic too. Kind of break up some of them big pieces. So, all right. Get our 1 clove of garlic, minced garlic. We're gonna add just a little bit more because around here there is no limit on the garlic. So, all right. Let's get that garlic mixed in. Alright, I'm going to throw the lid back on and get that, we're just basically heating up them beans and the corn, so about 5 minutes or so until they're getting warm. After that, we'll bring you back and a couple more easy steps and we're ready to go. Alright y'all, I did forget to tell you that we need to add 1 medium onion chopped up. I used about 1 cup of frozen chopped. So yeah, these are all warmed up. That's all done. So we're gonna move it off to the side. Now we need to get the rest of our recipe together. Hang on. Alright y'all, next step on this is about 16 ounces, 1 pound of frozen tater tots, and about 8 ounces of the taco blend cheese from Walmart. I'll mix them together. This is going to be cheesy. I don't know why they have you do this prior to, I mean, the cheese don't stick to the tater tots. But now we just need to take that mixture and add it to our hamburger mixture. And get that all mixed together. Get them tater tots all coated in the taco seasoning stuff. That cheese is melting, you can see. All right, got that all done. Now we need to get our pan. La la. And we need to get some red enchilada sauce. We're just going to pour a little bit of that in the bottom of this pan here. Just enough to kind of coat it a little bit. Then we're going to take our meat and potato mixture and get it all up in there. It's so cheesy. Let's see if we can just dump this in there like this. Ah, that worked. Okay, put that off to the side. See if we can't get most of our cheese off of our spatula. All right. That kind of pressed down in there. Now, we're going to take the rest of our enchilada sauce and just dump it over the top. Good enough. And then we're going to take... Alright, I need to clean my hands, y'all. Hang on. Alright, now, take another 2 or 3 ounces, whatever it takes to give us a nice coating of cheese on top. Because, in my opinion, it can never be too cheesy, right? All right, now preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to bake this for about 20-25 minutes, or until it's good and bubbly. We're just basically cooking those frozen tater tots, which I'm sure if you wanted to beforehand, you could throw them in the oven, get them good and crisp, and then put them in there, eat it away. But so we're going to get this warmed up, or the oven warmed up, and get this in, and we'll bring you guys right back. All right, y'all, got this all baked up. We're ready to do our taste test, and I want to correct myself. I said 350 for 20 minutes. I was wrong. It was 375 for 35 to 40 minutes, and I did mine for 40. She got a little crispy around the edges, but I like crispy. So let's get a chunk of this out of here and do our taste test. Ooh, smells really, really good. Get all them goodies out of the bottom there. So, all right. Let's do our taste test now. Oh, give you guys an up close and personal. Ain't that good looking? Look at that. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah. Yum, 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 yum. All right. enough of that. Let's eat. All right, y'all. Let's do our taste test. Got our plate here. It's still really, really warm, so. Y'all, that's a winner. Ooh, it's such a winner. I'm gonna have another bite. Definitely a winner. So, there you have it. Tater taco casserole gets my approval. So, hope y'all enjoyed this one. Hope you're gonna try it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and check out the Amazon store. If you want to support the channel, please consider becoming a member. 99 cents a month, and we keep bringing you great videos like this. So, appreciate y'all, love y'all, and as always, bon appetit.